This is the ultimate Ford F-150 Lobo, and in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why. Because not too long ago, my friend Michael got through reviewing this exact same vehicle in stock form. Well, it is very far from that today, and I'm going to show you exactly how TC Customs has accomplished that. What's up, guys? Mitchell Watts with TC Customs, and today I'm super pumped to bring you this particular vehicle itself. Now, I'm going to give you a quick, very brief overview of the F-150 Lobo, so that way you know what you get when you get it from the Ford factory, and then we're going to cover the details on exactly what TC Customs has done to make this thing well over 700 horsepower and absolutely peel your face back with a whole lot of fun. So first up, you can see this is the brand new color that Ford Motor Company has given us on the Lobo. There are a couple of limitations on what colors you get for the F-150 Lobo, but this by far has to be one of my favorite and fun colors for this whole sport truck type of a theme. You also notice the Lobo comes with a dedicated custom front grille with the illuminated light bar that runs all the way across, and it matches in with the headlights also nearly perfectly, especially because they are now white instead of yellow. On the bottom of it, you can see the entire front bumper has got a completely different custom front valence. I mean, I'm talking about the lower grille, you've got the plastic around that lower grille, and you've also got those side skirts on the side of the front bumper. Think it looks fantastic. And speaking of side skirts, take a look what we've got over here. Side skirts that run the entire length of the vehicle from the front to the back, and you even have a little piece on the back end as well to really tie the vehicle in. Quite frankly, I think this is the best body kit, aftermarket type of a thing that any OEM has ever done. I'm very, very proud of what Ford's put out here. And you know that I'm not gonna be just some Ford shill. I do love the Ford brand. We are a Ford dealership, Town and Country Ford. Shameless plug, you can actually pick up this vehicle on our website that'll be linked down below at the time that I'm making this video. I don't expect it to last much longer, especially with the inventory shortage of F-150s right now, Novella's plant fire. Got a lot of videos that talk about that, so click up on the link up there if you want to take a look at that. But this truck, at the time I'm making this, is still available. So there's a lot more to the STX, but for the sake of time, I think it's important to go ahead and start talking about exactly what TC Customs has done to this vehicle. The very first thing is going to be the suspension system itself. Take a look at this. This is the Ridetech 3-inch drop in the front and a 5.5-inch drop in the rear. It's a flip kit system in the rear. That way you're not going to be dealing with some ultra rough ride, and you're gonna have a smooth ride while you're on the interstate. And don't worry, we're gonna drive this thing here in just a second to kind of show you what that's gonna feel like. But take a look at this. We've got the factory wheels and tires. How sick does this look on factory wheels? You know, when we were customizing this, we're like, hey, let's make the perfect wheel and tire and suspension and all the other things that we're gonna talk about in just a second. We looked at it, we were like, dang, we kind of don't need to even update the wheels and the tires. Now, if you wanted to go to like some ultra high performance compound on the tires, we could definitely do that. That's an option. But for the money, I was like, man, you've already got a really nice set of wheels and tires. So we just decided to stick with this. Now there's plenty of other options TC Customs can help you with. Weld wheels, Vossen wheels, niche wheels. There's a whole lot. I mean, we've got like 30,000 wheel styles available to you, but I think this whole setup looks fantastic. Now, the other thing that I want to show you on the back end of the vehicle is going to be the exhaust system. You'll notice the tips back here are the exact same tips that you get on a Ford factory F-150 Lobo. But let me tell you right now, this Ford factory F-150 Lobo does not sound anything like a Ford factory F-150 Lobo. Say that 3 times fast. What we have done on this vehicle is we've made sure that we were retaining the same exhaust tips from the factory. Why? Because they're black, they look fantastic, they're built into the cutouts on the bumper itself, and quite frankly, I think it looks fantastic. But the problem is the Ford factory exhaust system doesn't sound that good. So what has TC Customs done? We've upgraded this with a Borla mid-pipe system. This is the S-type, so it's not gonna be the loudest option out there. That would be, oh, I can't remember what they even call that thing. But yeah, at least this one you can daily drive it and not piss off your next door neighbor. So, but the S-type, I think it sounds perfect. Let me prove it to you. That's louder than I actually expected. I wasn't expecting it to be that loud, but I'm telling you, the tone is freaking perfect. Borla nailed this exhaust system. But it's not just the exhaust system that comes into play when you're talking about how a vehicle sounds. Because you think about it, if you can push and force more air through the engine, that's going to be more exhaust out the back. And if you got more exhaust out the back, it's going to sound a little different. And with that being said, let me introduce you to the engine compartment. This is the Roush TVS Twin Vortices Series Supercharger, made specifically for the 2026 Ford F-150. And TCcustoms knows a thing or two about installing these superchargers. We're the #1 Roush Supercharger dealer in the world. And so we definitely know what we're talking about. We're big fans of the Roush Supercharger, but if the Roush Supercharger is not your jam, we do have other options available to you. The phone number is going to be right there on the screen if you want to reach out to us and talk about those other options. But quite frankly, the way that they've treated their customers after the fact leaves me no reason to want to go anywhere else. They do such a good job with their product and also updating it with different tunes and things like that. Like for instance, Roush has just come out with a brand new update on this supercharger that's got updated fuel rails. I mean, it's billet machined aluminum fuel rails. Looks absolutely sick. So it's things like that, and the small attention to detail and constantly reinvesting in the products is one of the reasons that I love it so much. But with that being said, none of that matters if it doesn't drive good. So let's go ahead and hop in it and take it for a spin. Party mode engage. Oh, that is awesome. Okay, so if you couldn't pick it up from this point, there is a party mode inside of the F-150 Lobo. First thing, you gotta put the drive mode into sport mode. Next up, you gotta use that all-wheel drive so that way you're not doing a burnout fest trying to launch the truck. And third, and most important, make sure traction control is off. Then, just do a small little brake boost like that, and this thing is off to the races. Holy moly, this thing feels fun. And listen to it. Get you some of that. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, so what do I think after having a little bit of an opportunity to get behind the wheel of the truck? Well, the Ridetech suspension makes it really easy to just, I mean, this thing feels planted from side to side. It may not look like that in video form, but trust me, this thing, got to make sure there's nobody in the other lane. I mean, it's talking about planted. And the cool thing about the Ridetech suspension is you've got different options. You want to put a sway bar out back, you can. If you want to do the traction bars, highly recommend that on a supercharged application, which this one also has as well. But yeah, this thing is so much fun to drive. The Lobo is a great vehicle, but with a supercharger and that Borla exhaust system, oh my goodness gracious, this truck gonna get me arrested. I mean, but it doesn't matter because I'm in Mexico on a close course. So anyways, guys, at the end of the day, I think the truck has been visually a win for a long time, ever since it came out. But now that we have got the ability to go in with the rest of the truck, with the supercharger, the lowering kit, the exhaust system, I think it really completes the entire package. And I guess at the end of the day, this hopefully will be a big hit across the nation, because I think it would be so nice to have a Lobo package maybe on an XLT, a Lobo package maybe on a Lariat. Give us the ability, just like you have the black appearance package that's available across multiple trim levels. How cool would it be if Ford would give us these visual cues, these visual updates, but on multiple different trim levels? I think this would be an absolute win, but only if America takes to this particular truck. And quite frankly, I think they have hit a home run with it. The only thing that I wish this truck had, and it would make it the perfect truck in my opinion, is going to be heated leather seats. But the good news is Catskin has got that covered. TCcustoms got you covered with that whole setup. You can even do air conditioned seats if that's something you want to do. But yeah, this, at the end of the day, if this truck had Blue Cruise, I would seriously be thinking about doing this exact application. That's why I kind of mentioned it'd be nice to have the Lobo package on other trim levels. It'd be nice to have Blue Cruise in this whole setup with the whole visual cues to go with it. And now we are on some back roads to give you, you can hear everything kind of sloshing around inside the vehicle. But man, this thing feels right and tight on these back roads. I mean, just feel this. Good gracious. Oh my goodness. All right, so take a look at these windy roads. Oh. I'm trying to be a little bit more quiet so you guys can actually hear how nice this whole exhaust system sounds and experience what it's like to actually drive this thing. Oh my goodness gracious. This truck is so much fun. I really believe that the combination of the custom work that TCcustoms has done mixed in with how Ford has packaged the overall looks, this is an absolute home run. The way this thing is riding, I see now why Mustang sales are dropping and sport utility trucks like this one are going through the roof. I mean, it's crazy to me that the Mustang Mach-E is outselling the normal Mustang, but yet at the same time, regular cab F-150 5.0s with big superchargers, the Lobo with superchargers, there's no question to me why these things have gone through the roof as far as sales are concerned. Let me know down below the like button. What do you think about the F-150 Lobo custom built by TCcustoms? And if you want to take a look at this F-150 Lobo, I'll have it linked down below in the description. But we also can custom build you the Lobo of your dreams. The phone number is right there on the screen. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Peace.